And now, Veterinarian's Hospital. The continuing story of a former orthopedic surgeon who's gone to the dogs. Anesthetic Dr. Bob, has this operation really done? Scalpel. No, suture, Dr. Bob. There. Scalpel, Dr. Bob. Ah! How long have you been a nurse? Well, what time is it? Dr. Bob, your hand is shaking. What's the trouble? That's my nerves. Overworked and unpaid. This is my 10th operation and the hours are interminable. Yeah, but we must get on with this operation. This man is a bad case of hiccups. It must be gas. Oh, he's in bad shape. He's in bad shape? What about me? Does anyone know you think about me? We're losing time, Dr. Bob. So, I'm losing my mind. Day in and day out, it's the same old routine. Oh, but Dr. Bob, I'm under my ears with death. My wife is leaving me. I've been sued for malpractice and all you can say is, but Dr. Bob. Oh, but doctor, I tell you, I'm so mad I'm about to explode. And so Dr. Bob is gone to pieces and so is his patient. Tune in tomorrow when you'll hear Nurse Piggy say, Dr. Bob, you got to pull yourself together. I'll try. Not you, him. I better quit while I'm ahead.